I prefer versus I'd prefer. I prefer, this is like saying what you like or want. For example, if you say, I prefer pizza, it means you like pizza more than other options. I'd prefer, this is a bit more polite and often used when you're making a request or suggesting something. It's like saying, I would like, or, I would rather have. For instance, if you say, I'd prefer a window seat, it means you would like a window seat if possible. So, I prefer is more straightforward, just stating what you like. I'd prefer adds a touch of politeness or conditions to your preference, and it's often used in specific situations or when talking to others. Best English Academy. Become an English speaker today.